Let's learn some vocabulary about how the materials for blocked hats are sold. They come in hat bodies, which is an unformed version of a blocked hat. This style that looks like a sort of a thimble, this is a straw hat body in a style known as a hood. It's very simple. You can't do a brim style with this one, but you can do all kinds of interesting crown shapes and hand-blocked things. This style is called a flare. It's basically the same kind of body as a hood, but it flares out a little bit more at the bottom. So you can do some brimmed hats if they have a short brim, like a stingy brim fedora or a trilby. Then this style is what's known as a capeline, which you spell C-A-P-E-L-I-N-E, or a cartwheel. And it is the hat body that you use if you need to have a wide brim on the hat that you're making, or if you're doing something interesting like this sort of hand-draped waterfall hat that's got a longer brim on one side than the other. This started out as a straw capeline. So those are the terms that you need to know if you're ordering hat bodies in order to create blocked hats.